Welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel. And so we are preparing for the winter storm. And I got this Energizer power bank. It says it can charge 3 devices and can last up to 36 hours. So I'm unboxing it right now to get it charged up. We're expecting the winter storm tonight, so it's supposed to start today, Saturday night, all through Sunday and most likely Monday. So let's see how far we can go with this Energizer. And yeah, so I got it from Best Buy. That's the cable. So it has a USB. The cable has a USB and then C to C as well. So let's see. Last year, the power went off during the winter storm and there was no access to Wi-Fi. So hopefully with this power bank, and I have another power bank in my household, we should be able to get all the devices charged. And it's not going to be church tomorrow in person, so church service will be online. And if all the devices are charged, we'll be able to attend service online through our devices. So let me power this up and see. I'm just going to plug it in. I'll be going to the stores very soon, so I want to have it charging and ready while I go to the store. So like I said, it has 3 ports. You can charge 3 devices at the same time. So let's see. Plugged in the power bank is showing 70% charge because it's brand new. So I'm just going to leave it to charge while I go to the store. Hopefully it will be 100% charged by the time I get back. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, it's not connecting properly, so I think I put it in the wrong one. So now I have it in the right spot. Yeah, it's charging. I did my grocery shopping for the winter storm since on Wednesday, but I noticed while cooking yesterday evening that I ran out of crushed tomatoes. So I have to go to the store today. I hate to do that. I have to go to the stores, the grocery stores on Saturday. So yeah, I have to go now to get those crushed tomatoes. Off to Walmart now to get my crushed tomatoes. And yeah, the temperature is cold. It's 40 degrees Celsius right now out there, and it's rainy also. So yeah, mine Walmart everywhere. Most of the shelves are empty. So my brand of tomato is most of it is gone. So well, I managed to get this about 6 things to last for this weekend and probably next week. Trying to get some snacks, but most of the snack shelves are also empty. Yeah, so most people get snacks because when the power go out, you will not be able to cook. So it's best to get snacks or non-perishable food stuff. Yeah, most of the shelves are empty. So yeah, most of these juice shelves are also empty. So I think I need to go now. Most of these are empty. I need to go to Fiesta to get some fresh habanero pepper. Yeah, for my stew that I'm cooking today. Yeah, no more apple here in Walmart. So I might get some apple over there. So let me swing by now to Fiesta. Here I come. So it's raining and it's all wet out here. Yeah, but see, all the crowds are gone. That means the store is full of a lot of people. So yes, my pepper, trying to get pepper. Don't know to go with this red one or go with the milder one. So I decided to go with the mild one. So I'm going with this one. Try to get some fresh tomatoes, but they're out of most of them. No more tomatoes. I'll just get one or two things and swing by HEB, my final stop for today, to get some other stuff. So yeah, my at HEB is still raining and cold. Getting some of these fruit juice. And this is the pomegranate juice. It's very good. So it's good to take fruit juice during the cold season to boost your body immune system. So you can see the shelf is empty too for this fruit juice. Yeah, let's see. Let me get some salad also. Yeah, the ones I want are gone already. The shelves are empty here. You can see a lot of empty shelves. People are panic buying because of this winter storm that is coming. Yeah, panic buying is what causes these empty shelves. It's all well and good. So let me take one or two of these and head back home. Yeah, the bread shelves are also empty. So most people buy bread when it comes to during the hurricane or winter storm like this because they are non-perishable. Yeah, so that's why it's empty like this. The shelves are empty. So grab some vegetables and I'm done for the day. Heading back home now. Oh, my power bank is fully charged, ready for use if the power goes out. So I'm just going to stock my crushed tomato and start cooking my stew. Like and share this video. Click that thumbs up button. Everyone out there, stay safe. It is cold out there. Stay warm also. And I pray that God will keep us safe. And I pray that the power will not go out like last year. That lasted almost 24 hours. So stay safe with your family. I will see you in the next video. God bless you all. Cheers.